Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to change the region or country setting on your Gmail account, you're in the right place. Whether you're relocating, want to change your settings for accessing local services, or simply need to update your information, we've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through the process of changing your Gmail account's region step by step. It's quick, easy, and straightforward. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Gmail account. Head over to gmail.com and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox, the main page of your account. This is where we'll begin the process of changing your region settings. Now that you're logged into your Gmail account, the next step is to access the settings menu. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your Gmail page. This is the settings icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, showing the quick settings, including options like Gmail Chat and Meet. But we need to dive deeper into the settings. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled See All Settings. Click on this to access the full settings menu. This is where we can make more detailed changes to your account. You'll be taken to a new page with multiple tabs, including General, Labels, Inbox, and more. By default, the General tab should already be selected. If it's not, go ahead and click on it. This tab contains various settings related to your Gmail account. Scroll down this page until you see the option for phone numbers and country code. You will see the current country listed here. In this example, my default country code is set to Pakistan. To change it, click on the drop-down menu next to the country code. A list of countries will appear. I'm going to change mine to the United States. Select the country you want to switch to from this list. Once selected, you'll see the new country code appear. Hold on, you're not done yet. Changing the country code here won't automatically update your settings. To make sure your new region is saved, you need to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This step is crucial. If you forget to do this, your changes won't be applied, and the country code will revert back to the original setting. Now that we've saved our changes, let's verify that everything has been updated correctly. To do this, we'll go back into the Settings menu. Click on the Settings gear icon once more, and select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down again to the Phone Numbers and Country Code section. You should now see your new country code displayed. In my case, it now shows the United States. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country setting on your Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.